Alright guys, I'll do a quick little video, kind of an update. I'll have a better update video for you guys on Move the Sheep, and that's doing really nicely. They're eating what I want them to eat and haven't jumped out of the fence yet. The goats the other day though decided to jump the inner fence and then come out here and attack fruit trees, so that was fun. What I'm doing today is I'm mucking out the shed, or it's the pen here, the Harbor Freight carport thingy. I'm gonna have to order a top for it. It's pretty thrashed, but it's full of decomposed hay and mostly poop and dirt. And the cows, when they loafed in there, really dug kind of a hole where their front feet went. And so I'm gonna rake that all out and shovel it all out, and then it's gonna get DG to fill the hole in inside, and then I'm gonna get bark to fill the whole area. So we'll look at it real quick, and then as soon as I get done mucking this out, I'm gonna go get DG and come back here and fill the hole in, and then I'm gonna try to get bark over the next day or two. So we'll take a look real quick. So you can see hopefully that this is all goat poop and a tiny bit of hay left, but mostly goat poop. And then in here is, I don't know, bark, goat poop, and hay all mixed together. And so I'm going to clean this out best I can. You can see the dirt is real wet, and the moisture bleeds in. The dirt right there is real wet, and the moisture actually bleeds in from underneath this wall right here. So on the other side of that wall is the ditch, and you can see the ditch runs through there and up to the fence over there, and then goes back that way. And that's where the water will come in the winter, and it'll leach from here underneath the wall. And so I'll go in there and clean that up. Alrighty. Blackberries will pop up in the craziest places. we're all mucked out. Gonna go get some DG to fill some of the holes back in, make a nice base for them. So this area right here is where they made a big hole across there where the front feet go. And then they like to sleep over there. They like to poop over there and pee over in here. And so it just needed to be cleaned under the door there, and then raked out all that area. So gonna go get some fill and be back. All right, that's where I dumped it. You can see my pathetic row of peppers right here that are hanging on, and some cauliflower that never produced because I didn't put fertilizer on it. And then my row of potatoes there is almost done. Tomatoes right here got smoked by the frost. So garden's pretty much done. All right, I'm in the truck, backing up, getting over to the goat's pen. Oh, don't want to hit the tree now, do I? Oh, don't run over the tree well. Oh, where am I going? Might help if I actually backed up in the correct spot. Okay. Hey, look at that handsome kid. I even see some sheep in the rearview mirror. Alright, there's the DG. And it's gonna go in here. guys. You can see it's all filled in, all spread out. It kind of needs to be walked on. You can see my footprints and how soft it is. But it did fill it up pretty good. Could probably use another half of a yard in here. Because I know it's going to pack down some, but hopefully the yard of wood chips I'm going to put in here will make up the difference. So we'll wrap this up for now, and we'll probably split the video up and do the wood chips on the next one. Hope you guys have a good day. Talk to you later.